Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Stitch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve across. And then a large curve down underneath. Now inside on the bottom corners, let's add a curve for the nostrils. And then let's add a curve on top and a smaller one again. And that's it for the nose. Now we're going to hop to the sides and draw the eyes. Let's start next to the nostrils and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. Then from the end, let's curve it down and back up. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a circle in the top corners. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now that we have the eyes, let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the eyes and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then at the bottom, let's curve it in. And then a curve across for the chin. And then let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's finish drawing the details. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve up and bring it down to the nose. And then let's continue it below with a small line down. And then curve it out and up. Now at the top of this section, let's thicken it up slightly for the eyebrows. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a small line down under the nose. And then from both sides, let's curve it out and bring it up. And then let's add a curve at each end. And then a curve across for the bottom of the mouth. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. At the top, let's draw two V-shaped points. And then two larger ones next to it. Now let's do the same thing at the bottom. Now in the center, we're going to draw the tongue. We'll start with a curve up to the right and down. And the same thing on the left side. And then on top, let's draw a curve across the center here. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up to the top of the head and we're going to draw 3 bumps up like this. And then we're going to hop to the sides and draw the ears. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a wavy line up and curve it out. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve up, stopping here. Then let's draw a V-shaped notch in. And then a curve down to close off the ears. Next, let's hop inside near the top and let's draw a wavy line down. And then one more curve up at the bottom here. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. We'll start with the belly patch by bringing it down with a curve on both sides. Then let's curve it out and down, meeting in the center. And then inside, let's draw 3 bumps. Now for the sides of the body, let's hop out and let's draw a wavy line down. And then on the sides, let's add the arms. Let's start with a curve out, bring it around and back in. Then inside at the ends, let's draw a circle. And then for the fingers, let's add 3 V-shaped points out at the ends. And that's it for the arms and hands. Lastly, let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath on both sides. We're going to step in and we're going to draw a curve out and down. Then at the bottom, let's step up and let's draw a curve out and in for the first toe. And add a curve inside. Now for the next toe, let's draw a curve down and up. And add a curve inside at the bottom. And then let's add one more curve on top. Now let's continue the foot by bringing it in and up. Now let's close off the body with a wavy line across that dips down slightly in the center. And that's it for Stitch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!